Let's talk a little bit about editing our layout. As we mentioned in the last segment, you can edit many parts of your layout using the Edit mode located here. By selecting a section or group of sections, this would allow you to make edits to duct diameter, the length of that section, and the in and the out fittings or parts. The diameter is going to be entered in inches if you've selected standard IP in the settings tab, and millimeters if you're using metric SI. You will be manually setting the diameter. Now, our recommendation is to use DuctQuote Calculation functionality, which is designed to ensure the ductwork is sized for proper air velocity and volume. Length is also going to be entered in inches or feet for standard IP and millimeters if you've selected metric. This allows you to manually set the length of any segment. If you set the segment too short, say 8 inches in this case, the system will first ask which direction you wish to shift items to make the change. In this case, I'm going to choose upstream because that will only involve one of the machines. Notice that I receive a warning indicator showing me that I've made this too short. If I select the section, it even tells me how long it needs to be at a minimum, 21.5 inches, and it can fix this for me. Again, asking whether I wish to move things upstream or downstream. Now we can also edit the layout using the Design tab that's located here. By editing things here, we're talking about things such as the connection type, whether rolled lip or flanged, the clamp type, flange, galvanized, gasket material, the actual material of the duct, flex hose type, what type of application you're working with, the elbow types, and the default radius of your elbows. Let's do some editing here that we talked about. We're going to select the inlet section here, and we can actually set that to a larger diameter if we choose, say 9 inches. But again, use DuctQuote's calculation function. It's the best way to ensure that things are properly sized. But notice as the size of that changed, it also changes the requirements for this section. And again, we can let DuctQuote fix it. Okay. Notice that we can change the length of this section just as we did before. If we bring this to say 6 feet, we can shorten things up.